next story was written by
Emme, Javier, Nash, Riley, Ernest, Omar, Tavi, Emma, Maria, Jack. And this is our story!
And it's called Sir Bob Talks a Lot and Pony Bach. Welcome to our castle. We're near the Scottish moors. My name's Sir Bob Talks a Lot. I polish all the floors. As butler at this grand estate, I work all night and day. For Anthony, who owns this place, I serve without delay.
Sir Bob Talks a Lot. Turn on the TV at once. I want to watch Pony Bach, the most famous skateboarder.
Very good, sir. As you wish.
I'm Pony Bach, the winner of the Skateboard Olympics, and I'm introducing my own line of limited edition signed skateboards, available at Blosco for $1 million.
$1 million? I need more mula.
Look at me, I'm famous. Booyah!
I've got to save my money so I can be like Pony Bach. I'll cook and clean and serve French toast. My work will be non-stop.
Don't forget to clean the bingo room.
As you wish, sir. I've got a lot of money, so I can buy that board. As owner of the castle now, I'm famous and adored.
And I became the butler who mops and does and cleans. When Sir Bob says to scrub the board, I polish till it gleams.
Mr. Spot.
Oh, my apologies, sir.
The end.
We are the Story Wranglers, bringing your stories to life.